Today's task on the old HHR is replacing the map sensor. Manifold absolute pressure. Had the check engine light coming on and off, and I carry a blue driver scan tool in the car all the time. It's always plugged in. So I read the code, here it is, and saw that it's giving me the code for the map sensor. So went ahead and stopped and bought one for a 2006 Chevy HHR, and probably Cobalt and everything else Ecotec. That's your part number. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace this, how I do it. It's about as easy as can be. So about all you really need to do this is a common screwdriver, just to take off your air cleaner. This gets the hose clamp off there. You have the one plug here, which I like to put somewhere where I'm going to see it when I put it back together. Possibly a 10mm socket, and either ratchet or speed handle. Let's see. On these cars, the map sensor lives straight down here. So I'm going to remove this pipe, and just like that, and move my fuel injection harness out of the way, and you can see it here. May be able to get to it without pulling anything else off. Get your cable off. Be careful with this. You don't want to break this tab here. And then this should just come right out. Just like that. There you go. One of the reasons why I love how easy this car is to maintain. Then you take your new one, just that easy. Make sure your grommet's here, and it's got a this little feature here slides right down over this portion here, so it's pretty straightforward and easy to do. Easier to do with two hands, of course, like anything else. So here's the new one. Cable out of the way, come in from the side, get it in the hole, slide it down. Gotta make sure it seats fully. Might have been some kind of issue with that. I'm going to go ahead and spray some WD-40 on this, make sure it slides down in there easy. Just going to spritz it a little bit. And this is something you want to definitely make sure you don't get any dirt down into the intake. And there we go. It is fully seated. Everything else is reverse order. Cable back on. Hose. Old part goes in the garbage. And air cleaner goes back on. Get that tight, give it the old Scotty Kilmer. Get that tight, and then don't forget this cable. I've forgotten it so many times that I don't forget it anymore, because that'll trip your ignition, your check engine light right away, and it'll run funny. So that's it. Another easy job done on this HHR. Easiest car in the world to maintain. Try again. This part of AutoZone was about $76. This was a very easy part to replace. If this had been some sort of German vehicle, you'd probably have to take off the mufflers, all four tires, and pull the steering wheel off just to get to it. Only to find out it's been installed with 16 bolts takes a socket that you don't have. So this car, piece of cake. That's the only reason really that I keep this car. It's got so many miles on it, and it's just so easy to fix, and it looks nice. It's just the car that gets me back and forth to work, and I'm not trying to impress anybody. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more, hit the like button. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And when you have time, go check out Faye Hadley's YouTube channel. She's got Pistons and Pixie Dust, as well as Woman in Machine. She's doing great things over there. You ought to check it out. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. So if you are trying to impress somebody, get yourself a German car and then have fun with that.